Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में कनाती मैन अल अरबियती अल अखबारियती. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Man Arab News Channel. So today we are going to study the next verse from Surah Al-An'am from 111 to 165. اليوم سوف ندرس الآية من مئة وأحد عشر إلى مئة وخمسة وستون من الأنعام. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
So first we are going to study from verse 111 to 118. First I will study in Arabic language, then the translation will be done in English language. Very slowly I will speak.
أشهد أن
Let's start. وَلَوْ أَنَّنَا نَزَّلْنَا إِلَيْهِمُ الْمَلَائِكَةَ وَكَلَّمَهُمُ الْمَوْتَى وَحَشَرْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ قُبُلًا مَا كَانُوا لِيُؤْمِنُوا إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ يَجْهَلُونَ وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا لِكُلِّ نَبِيٍّ عدوا شياطين الإنس والجن يوحي بعضهم إلى بعض زخرف القول غرورا ولو شاء ربك ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون ولتصغى إليه أفئدة الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وَلِيَرْضَوْهُ وَلِيَقْتَرِفُوا مَا هُمْ مُقْتَرِفُونَ أَفَغَيْرَ اللَّهِ أَبْتَغِي حَكَمًا وَهُوَ الَّذِي أَنزَلَ إِلَيْكُمُ الْكِتَابَ مُفَصَّلًا وَالَّذِينَ آتَيْنَاهُمُ الْكِتَابَ يَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ منزل من ربك بالحق فلا تكونن من الممترين وتمت كلمة ربك صدقا وعدلا لا مبدل لكلمته وهو السميع العليم وإن تطع أكثر من في الأرض يضلوك عن سبيل الله إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون إن ربك هو أعلم من يضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين فكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه إن كنتم بآياته mu'minin. So what does it mean in English? So, even if we did send unto them angels and the dead did speak unto them and we gathered together all things before their very eyes, they are not the ones to believe unless it is in Allah's plan. But most of them ignore the truth. Likewise did we make for every messenger an enemy, evil ones among men and jinns, inspiring each other with flowery discourses by way of deception. If thy Lord had so planned, they would not have done it, so leave them and their inventions alone. To such deceit, let the hearts of those incline who have no faith in the hereafter, let them delight in it, and let them earn from it what they may. Say, shall I seek for judge other than Allah? When he it is who hath sent unto you the book explained in detail. They know full well to whom we have given the book, that it hath been sent down from thy Lord in truth. Never be then of those who doubt. The word of thy Lord doth find its fulfillment in truth and in justice. None can change his words, for he is the one who heareth and knoweth all. Wert thou to follow the common run of those on earth, they will lead thee away from the way of Allah. They follow nothing but conjecture, they do nothing but lie. Thy Lord knoweth best who strayeth from his way. He knoweth best who they are that receive his guidance. So eat of the meats on which Allah's name hath been pronounced, if ye have faith in his signs. Now next verse comes, that is from 119 to 124. وَمَا لَكُمْ أَلَّا تَقُولُوا مِمَّا ذُكِرَ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ وَقَدْ فَصَّلَ لَكُمْ مَا حَرَّمَ عَلَيْكُمْ إِلَّا مَا اضْطُرِرْتُمْ إِلَيْهِ وَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا لَا يُضِلُّونَ بِأَهْوَائِهِمْ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِالْمُعْتَدِينَ وَذَرَوْا ظَاهِرَ الْإِثْمِ وَبَاطِنَهُ إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يَكْسِبُونَ الْإِثْمَ سَيُجْزَوْنَ بِمَا كَانُوا يَقْتَرِفُونَ وَلَا تَأْكُلُوا مِمَّا لَمْ يُذْكَرِ اسْمُ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهِ وَإِنَّهُ لَفِسْقٌ وَإِنَّ الشَّيَاطِينَ لَيُوحُونَ إِلَى أَوْلِيَائِهِمْ لِيُجَادِلُوكُمْ وَإِنْ أَطَعْتُمُوهُمْ إِنَّكُمْ لَمُشْرِكُونَ أَوَمَنْ كَانَ مَيْتًا فَأَحْيَيْنَاهُ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُ نُورًا يَمْشِي بِهِ فِي النَّاسِ كَمَنْ مَثَلُهُ فِي الظُّلُمَاتِ لَيْسَ بِخَارِجٍ مِنْهَا كَذَلِكَ زُيِّنَ لِلْكَافِرِينَ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا فِي كُلِّ قَرْيَةٍ أَكْبَرَ مُجْرِمِيهَا لِيَمْكُرُوا فِيهَا وَمَا يَمْكُرُونَ إِلَّا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ وَإِذَا جَاءَتْهُمْ آيَةٌ قَالُوا لَن نُؤْمِنَ حَتَّى نُؤْتَىٰ مِثْلَ مَا أُوتِيَ رُسُلُ اللَّهِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ حَيْثُ يَجْعَلُ رِسَالَتَهُ سَيُصِيبُ الَّذِينَ أَجْرَمُوا صَغَارٌ عِندَ اللَّهِ وَعَذَابٌ شَدِيدٌ بِمَا كَانُوا يَمْكُرُونَ. So what does it mean in English? Why should ye not eat of meats on which Allah's name hath been pronounced, when he hath explained to you in detail what is forbidden to you, except under compulsion of necessity? But many do mislead men by their appetites unchecked by knowledge. Thy Lord knoweth best those who transgress. Eschew all sin, open or secret. Those who earn sin will get due recompense for their earnings. Eat not of meats on which Allah's name hath not been pronounced, that would be impiety. But the evil ones ever inspire their friends to contend with you. If ye were to obey them, ye would indeed be pagans. Can he who was dead, to whom we gave life, and a light whereby he can walk amongst men, be like him who is in the depths of darkness, from which he can never come out? Thus to those without faith their own deeds seem pleasing. Thus have we placed leaders in every town, its wicked men to plot and borrow therein, but they only plot against their own souls, and they perceive it not. When there comes to them a sign from Allah, they say, we shall not believe until we receive one exactly like those received by Allah's apostles. Allah knoweth best where and how to carry out his mission. Soon will the wicked be overtaken by humiliation before Allah, and a severe punishment for all their plots. Now next verse comes, that is 125 to 131. Okay. فَمَنْ يُرِيدِ اللَّهُ أَنْ يَهْدِيَهُ يَشْرَحْ صَدْرَهُ لِلْإِسْلَامِ وَمَنْ يُرِيدْ أَنْ يُضِلَّهُ يَجْعَلْ صَدْرَهُ ضَيْقًا حَرَجًا كَأَنَّمَا يَصَّعَّدُ فِي السَّمَاءِ كَذَلِكَ يَجْعَلُ اللَّهُ الرِّجْسَ عَلَى الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ وَهَذَا صِرَاطُ رَبِّكَ مُسْتَقِيمًا قَدْ فَصَّلْنَا الْآيَاتِ لِقَوْمٍ يَذَّكَّرُونَ لَهُمْ دَارُ السَّلَامِ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ وَهُوَ وَلِيُّهُمْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ وَيَوْمَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ جَمِيعًا يَا مَعْشَرَ الْجِنِّ قَدِ اسْتَكْثَرْتُمْ مِنَ الْإِنسِ وَقَالَ أَوْلِيَاؤُهُمْ مِنَ الْإِنسِ رَبَّنَا اسْتَمْتَعَ بَعْضُنَا بِبَعْضٍ وَبَلَغْنَا أَجَلَنَا الَّذِي أَجَّلْتَ لَنَا قَالَ النَّارُ مَثْوَاكُمْ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ حَكِيمٌ عَلِيمٌ وَكَذَلِكَ نُوَلِّي بَعْضَ الظَّالِمِينَ بَعْضًا بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ يَا مَعْشَرَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ أَلَمْ يَأْتِكُمْ رُسُلٌ مِّنكُمْ يَقُصُّونَ عَلَيْكُمْ آيَاتِي وَيُنذِرُونَكُمْ لِقَاءَ يَوْمِكُمْ هَٰذَا قَالُوا شَهِدْنَا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِنَا وَغَرَتْهُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا وَشَهِدُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ أَنَّهُمْ كَانُوا كَافِرِينَ ذَلِكَ أَلَمْ يَكُنْ رَبُّكَ مُهْلِكَ الْقُرَىٰ بِظُلْمٍ وَأَهْلُهَا غَافِلُونَ. So what does it mean in English? So, those whom Allah in His plan willeth to guide, He openeth their breast to Islam. Those whom He willeth to leave straying, He maketh their breast close and constricted as if they had to climb up to the skies. Thus doth Allah heap the penalty on those who refuse to believe. This is the way of thy Lord, leading straight. We have detailed the signs for those who receive admonition. For them will be a home of peace in the presence of their Lord. He will be their friend because they practice righteousness. One day will He gather them all together and say, O ye assembly of jinns, much toll did ye take of men. Their friends amongst men will say, Our Lord, we made profit from each other, but alas, we reached our term, which thou didst appoint for us. He will say, The fire be your dwelling place. You will dwell therein forever, except as Allah willeth. For thy Lord is full of wisdom and knowledge. Thus do we make the wrongdoers turn to each other because of what they earn. O ye assembly of jinns and men, came there not unto you apostles from amongst you, setting forth unto you my signs and warning you of the meeting of this day of yours? They will say, we bear witness against ourselves. It was the life of this world that deceived them, so against themselves will they bear witness that they rejected faith. The apostles were sent thus, for thy Lord would not destroy for their wrongdoing men's habitations, whilst their occupants were unwarned. Now next verse comes, that is from 132 to 137. Okay. وَلِكُلٍّ دَرَجَةٌ مِّمَّا عَمِلُوا وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا يَعْمَلُونَ وَرَبُّكَ الْغَنِيُّ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ إِنْ يَشَأْ يُذْهِبْكُمْ وَيَسْتَخْلِفْ مِن بَعْدِكُم مَّا يَشَاءُ كَمَا أَنشَأَكُم مِّن ذُرِّيَّةِ قَوْمٍ آخَرِينَ إنما توعدون لآت وما أنتم بمعجزين قل يا قوم ملوا على مكانتكم إني أمير فسوف تعلمون من تكون له عاقبة الدار إنه لا يفلح الظالمون وجعلوا لله مما ذرأ من الحرث والأنعام نصيبا فقالوا هذا لله بزعمهم وهذا لشركائنا فما كان لشركائهم فلا يصل إلا الله وما كان لله فهو يصل إلى شركائهم ساء ما يحكمون وكذلك زينا لكثير من المشركين قتل أولادهم شركاؤهم ليردوهم وليلبسوا عليهم دينهم ولو شاء الله ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون. So what does it mean in English? To all are degrees or ranks according to their deeds, for thy Lord is not unmindful of anything that they do. Thy Lord is self-sufficient, full of mercy. If it were his will, he could destroy you and in your place appoint whom he will as your successors, even as he raised you up from the posterity of other people. All that hath been promised unto you will come to pass, nor can ye frustrate it in the least bit. Say, O my people, do whatever ye can. I will do my part. Soon will ye know who it is, whose end will be best in the hereafter. Certain it is that the wrongdoers will not prosper. Out of what Allah hath produced in abundance in tilth and in cattle, they assigned him a share, they say, according to their fancies. This is for Allah and this for our partners, but the share of their partners reacheth not Allah, whilst the share of Allah reacheth their partners. Evil and unjust is their assignment. Even so, in the eyes of most of the pagans, their partners made alluring the slaughter of their children in order to lead them to their own destruction and cause confusion in their religion. If Allah had willed, they would not have done so, but leave alone them and their inventions. Now next verse comes, that is from 138 to 142. وَكَلَوْ هَذِهِ أَنْ أَمُنْ وَحَرْتٌ هِجْرُ اللَّهِ يَطْعَمُهَا إِلَى مَنْ نَشَاءُ بِزَعْمِهِمْ وَأَنْ أَمُنْ حُرِّمَتْ ظُهُورُهَا وَأَنْ أَمُنْ لَا يَذْكُرُونَ اسْمَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْهَا افْتِرَاءً عَلَيْهِ سَيَجْزِيهِمْ بِمَا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ وَكَلَوْ مَا فِي بُطُونِهِمْ هَذِهِ الْأَنْعَامِ خَالِصَةٌ لِلذُّكُورِ وَمُحَرَّمٌ عَلَى أَزْوَاجِنَا وَإِنْ يَكُنْ مَيْتَةً فَهُمْ فِيهِ شُرَكَاءُ سَيَجْزِيهِمْ وَصْفَهُمْ إِنَّهُ حَكِيمٌ عَلِيمٌ. قد خسر الذين قتلوا أولادهم سفها بغير علم وحرموا ما رزقهم الله افتراء على الله قد ضلوا وما كانوا مهتدين وهو الذي أنشأ جنات معروشات وغير معروشات ونخلا وزرعا مختلفا أكله وزيتون ورمان متشابها وغير متشابه كلوا من ثمره إذا أثمر وآتوا حقه جزاءه يوم حصاده ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين ومن الأنعام حمولة وفرشا كلوا مما رزقكم الله ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. So what does it mean in English? And they say that such and such cattle and crops are taboo, and none should eat of them except those whom, so they say, we wish further. There are cattle forbidden to yoke or burden, and cattle on which at slaughter and name of Allah is not pronounced, inventions against Allah's name. Soon will He requite them for their inventions. They say, what is in the wombs of such and such cattle is specially reserved for food for our men and forbidden to our women. But if it is stillborn, then all have shares therein for their false attribution of superstitions to Allah. He will soon punish them, for He is full of wisdom and knowledge. Lost are those who slay their children from folly without knowledge and forbid food which Allah hath provided for them. Inventing lies against Allah, they have indeed gone astray and heeded no guidance. It is He who produceth gardens with trellises and without and dates and tilled with produce of all kinds and olives and pomegranates similar in kind and different in variety. Eat of their fruit in their season, but render the dues that are proper on the day that the harvest is gathered, but waste not by excess, for Allah loveth not the wasters. Of the cattle are some for burden and some for meat. Eat what Allah hath provided for you, and follow not the footsteps of Satan, for he is to you an avowed enemy. Now next verse comes, that is from 143 to 146. ثمانية أزواج من الضأن اثنين ومن المعز اثنين قل أذكرين حرم أم الأنثيين أما اشتملت عليه أرحام الأنثيين نبئوني بعلم إن كنتم صادقين ومن الإبل اثنين ومن البقر اثنين قل أذكرين حرم أم الأنثيين أما اشتملت عليه أرحام الأنثيين أم كنتم شهداء إذ وصاكم الله بهذا فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا ليضل الناس بغير علم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين قل لا أجد فيما أوحي إلي محرما على طاعم يطعمه إلا أن يكون ميتة أو دما مسفوحا أو لحم خنزير فإنه رجس أو فسقا أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن ربك غفور رحيم وعلى الذين هادوا حرم كل ذي ظفر ومن البقر والغنم حرم عليهم شحومهما إلا ما حملت ظهورهما أو الهوايا أو ما اختلط بعظم ذلك جزيناهم ببغيهم وإنا لصادقون. So what does it mean in English? Take 8 head of cattle in 4 pairs, of sheep a pair and of goats a pair, say hath he forbidden the two males or the two females or the young which the wombs of the two females enclose? Tell me with knowledge, if ye are truthful. Of camels a pair, and of oxen a pair, say, hath he forbidden the two males or the two females or the young which the wombs of the two females enclose? Were ye present when Allah ordered you such a thing? But who doth more wrong than one who invents a lie against Allah to lead astray men without knowledge? For Allah guided not people who do wrong. Say, I find not in the message received by me by inspiration any meat forbidden to be eaten by one who wishes to eat it, unless it be dead meat or blood poured forth or the flesh of swine, for it is an abomination. Or what is impious meat on which a name has been invoked other than Allah's? But even so, if a person is forced by necessity without willful disobedience nor transgressing due limits, thy Lord is oft forgiving, most merciful. For those who followed the Jewish law, we forbade every animal with undivided hoof, and we forbade them the fat of the ox and the sheep, except what adheres to their backs or their entrails or is mixed up with a bone. This in recompense for their willful disobedience, for we are true in our ordinance. Now next verse comes, that is from 147 to 151. فَإِنْ كَذَبُوكَ فَقُلْ رَبُّكُمْ ذُو رَحْمَةٍ وَاسِعَةٍ وَلَا يُرَدُّ بَأْسُهُ عَنِ الْقَوْمِ الْمُجْرِمِينَ سَيَقُولُ الَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا لَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ مَا أَشْرَكْنَا وَلَا آبَاؤُنَا وَلَا حَرَمَ مِنْ شَيْءٍ كَذَلِكَ كَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ حَتَّى ذَاقُوا بَأْسَنَا قُلْ هَلْ عِندَكُمْ مِنْ عِلْمٍ فَتُخْرِجُوهُ لَنَا إِنْ تَتَّبِعُونَ إِلَّا زَانَ وَإِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا تَخْرُصُونَ قُلْ فَلِلَّهِ الْحُجَّةُ الْبَالِغَةُ فَلَوْ شَاءَ لَهَدَاكُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ قُلْ هَلُمَّ شُهَدَاءَكُمُ الَّذِينَ يشهدون أن الله حرم هذا فإن شهدوا فلا تشهد معهم ولا تتبع أهواء الذين كذبوا بآياتنا والذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة وهم بربهم يعدلون قل تعالوا أتلوا ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم من إملاق نحن نرزقكم وإياهم ولا تقربوا الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ذلكم وَسَاكُمْ بِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ. So what does it mean in English? If they accuse thee of falsehood, say, your Lord is full of mercy, all embracing, but from people in guilt never will his wrath be turned back. Those who give partners to Allah will say, if Allah had wished, we should not have given partners to him, nor would our fathers, nor should we have had any taboo. So did their ancestors argue falsely until they tasted of our wrath. Say, have ye any certain knowledge? If so, produce it before us. Ye follow nothing but conjecture, ye do nothing but lie. Say, with Allah is the argument that reaches home. If it had been his will, he could indeed have guided you all. Say, bring forward your witnesses to prove that Allah did forbid so and so. If they bring such witnesses, be not thou amongst them, nor follow thou the vain desires of such as treat our signs as falsehoods, and such as believe not in the hereafter, for they hold others as equal with their guardian Lord. Say, come, I will rehearse what Allah hath really prohibited you from. Join not anything as equal with him. Be good to your parents, kill not your children. On a plea of want, we provide sustenance for you and for them. Come not nigh to shameful deeds. Whether open or secret, take not life which Allah hath made sacred, except by way of justice and law. Thus doth he command you, that ye may learn wisdom. Now next verse comes, that is from 152 to 157.
حي على الصلاة
Wala takrabo malal yatimi ila bilalati. Hiya ahsanu hatta yabluga ashuhdaha. Wa awful kaila wal mizana bil qist la nukallifu nafsan illa wus'aha wa iza kultum fadilaw wa law kana za qurba wa bi ahdillahi aw fawzalikum wasakum bihi la allakum tazakkarun wa anna haza sirati mustaqiman tabi ahu wala tatabi usubula fatafaraka bikum ansabilihi zalikum wasakum bihi la allakum tatakun thumma ataina mausal kitabatamma man ala lazi ahsana wa tafsilal likulli shay'in wa hudan wa rahmatan la alahum bi likai rabbihim yu'minun. Wahaza kitabun anzalnahu mubarakun fatabi'ahu wataqaw la alakum turhamun antaqawlu innama unzilal kitabu ala ta'ifataini min qablina wa in kunna an dirasatihim lagafilin aw taqawlaw law anna unzila alayna al kitabu lakunna ahada minhum faqad ja'akum bayyinatun min rabbikum wa hudan wa rahmah faman azlamu mimman kazaba bi ayatillahi wa sadafa anha sanajzil lazina yasdifuna an ayatina saw al azabi bima kanu yasdifun. So what does it mean in English? And come not nigh to the orphan's property except to improve it until he attain the age of full strength. Give measure and weight. With full justice no burden do we place on any soul, but that which it can bear. Whenever ye speak, speak justly, even if a near relative is concerned, and fulfill the covenant of Allah. Thus doth he command you, that ye may remember. Verily this is my way leading straight. Follow it, follow not other paths. They will scatter you about from his great path. Thus doth he command you, that ye may be righteous. Moreover, we gave Moses the book, completing our favor to those who would do right, and explaining all things in detail, and a guide and a mercy, that they might believe in the meeting with their Lord. And this is a book which we have revealed as a blessing. So follow it and be righteous, that ye may receive mercy, lest you should say the book was sent down to two peoples before us, and for our part we remained unacquainted with all that they learned by assiduous study. Or lest ye should say, if the book had only been sent down to us, we should have followed its guidance better than they. Now then hath come unto you a clear sign from your Lord, and a guide and a mercy. Then who could do more wrong than one who rejected Allah's signs and turneth away therefrom? In good time shall we requite those who turn away from our signs with a dreadful penalty for their turning away.
حي على الصلاة.
Now next verse comes, that is from 158 to 165. Then afterwards we are going to finish this chapter. هل ينظرون إلى أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي ربك أو يأتي بعض آيات ربك يوم يأتي بعض آيات ربك لا ينفع نفسا إيمانها لم تكن آمنت من قبل أو كسبت في إيمانها خيرا قل انتظروا إنا منتظرون إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا لست منهم في شيء إنما أمرهم إلى الله ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون من جاء بالحسنة فله عشر أمثالها ومن جاء بالسيئة فلا يجزى إلا مثلها وهم لا يظلمون قل إنني هداني ربي إلا صراط مستقيما ديناني قياما ملة إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين قل إن صلاتي ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين لا شريك له وبذلك أمرت وأنا أول المسلمين قل أغير الله أبغي ربا وهو رب كل شيء ولا تكسب كل نفس إلا عليها ولا تزر وزيرة وزر أخرى ثم إلى ربكم مرجعكم فينبئكم بما كنتم فيه تختلفون وهو الذي جعلكم خلائف الأرض ورفع بعضكم فوق بعض درجات ليبلوكم فيما آتاكم إن ربك سريع العقاب وإنه لغفور رحيم. So what does it mean in English? Are they waiting to see if the angels come to them, or thy Lord himself, or certain of the signs of thy Lord? The day that certain of the signs of thy Lord do come, not good will it do to a soul to believe in them. Then if it believed not before nor earned righteousness through its faith, say, wait ye, we too are waiting. As for those who divide their religion and break up into sects, thou hast no part in them in the least. Their affair is with Allah. He will in the end tell them the truth of all that they did. He that doeth good shall have 10 times as much to his credit. He that doeth evil shall only be recompensed according to his evil. No wrong shall be done unto any of them. Say, verily my Lord hath guided me to a way that is straight, a religion of right, the path trod by Abraham, the true in faith, and he certainly joined not gods with Allah. Say, truly my prayer and my service of sacrifice, my life and my death, are all for Allah, the cherisher of the worlds. No partner hath he. This am I commanded, and I am the first of those who bow to his will. Say, shall I seek for my cherisher other than Allah, when he is the cherisher of all things that exist? Every soul draws the meat of its acts on none but itself. No bearer of burdens can bear the burden of another. Your goal in the end is towards Allah. He will tell you the truth of the things wherein ye disputed. If is He who hath made you his agents, inheritors of the earth, he hath raised you in rank some above others, that he may try you in the gifts he hath given you. For thy Lord is quick in punishment, yet he is indeed of forgiving, most merciful. Al-Yawma Akmalna Darsal Anami. So today we have completed the chapter Surah Al-Anam. Hada kullu shay'in lihada al-yawmi. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سنتيا سامسمة قناة مان العربية الأخبارية أشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.